Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is staying safe. We got a new month up ahead of us, guys. It's April Fool's Day. Be careful out there, people. Birthday's coming up, 18 days. Here we go. We got an unboxing to do. Thank you guys for sending me this unit for a review. And you guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. And they'll ship it to you fast. God, it's summertime fast approaching. Winter is just about over. And here we go. And we have here Jousen. Bada boom. We got here. That way. Alright, I'll get it. Bada bing. Oh, a pair of shoes. Definitely nice. Nice packaged. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. It's kind of hard for me to find white shoes, especially size 14. I do got big feet now. I'm not sure how it happened, but I missed the size 9s I used to wear back in the day. But we shall see how these fit. Got the name down there. These ain't bad. Something to wear around the house, or maybe you go shopping, casino. Who knows? Yeah, these are nice. These will do good. And now, this is separator. And we got this one right there. Empty that out. Size 14. It's nice. Same with those. Sticker. Is that part of the design? That's part of the shoe. Alright. Really nice. Let me take this one off. I got my other shoes on. I'm going to switch these. Wear these and let you know how they feel. I'm not a big shoe person, as in like the collecting, like a lot of people are now doing the shoes. But like I said, as long as they're comfortable, I'm happy. Alright. Hey, these are comfy. Put my left one on. Yeah, I haven't tied them yet, but look at this. Got the bling bling, all white. Let's see if I can walk. Alright, shoot. There we go. Yeah, I still got room. My toes all the way, almost at the top. But these are definitely nice casual shoes coming from Jousen, Milan. Check them out. All right, YouTubers, that's it. It's simple. Happy Easter, everybody. Those who celebrate. And see you guys tomorrow. Be safe.